be taking this apart. We're going to see what else is broken in here, because it looks like some of this stuff might be damaged inside here, because the hinge is moving in a very strange way. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to. We'll see here. This screwdriver barely fits in here. That one does not want to come out. Ah, this computer was built in a time where they overdid all the screws. Alright, tiny screws. And I completely forgot that I was going to, like, make sure that I'm labeling these things. Alright, let's see. Oop, we got screws back here. That's interesting. There was screws under the battery. And there's a bunch of them missing. Alright. So, let's first take a look and see. Yeah, I have a feeling some of these guys over here are broken. That's nice and tight. That's nice and tight. That cable's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Alright, so all the cables actually look fine. Let's pull out this hard drive. This computer's way older than I thought it was. When I was looking at the front counter with the customer, he's like, oh, I've only had it a couple years. I guess the guy's memory is fading. Because even I thought it wasn't actually that old, but this thing is like 13 years old at this point. I mean, it's gonna run a hell of a lot better once I put this new hard drive in it. So let's see what kind of difference this makes on startup. I need to get a bot running on the YouTube side of this as well. Well, that didn't work. That's the wrong screws. All right. That one screw just stayed in there and did not want to come out. Oh well. So regardless of what happens right now when I go to start this thing up, like, it should be fine. Like, I have all the guys' data out here externally. That is too tight for me to get in there. And that is too small of a thread. Let's get these in here. Yeah, one thing you find is, like, when laptops still had external batteries, yeah, they were a little bit thicker. But you could totally do the same thing that they used to do. Like, imagine having the battery that just clicked into the bottom. That was as flat as current batteries are internally. That'd be dope. How much better that would make everything. Just spinning, I think. Alright, let's see what happens. See, two things that made me think this computer wasn't that old. One, Bang & Olufsen didn't start working with Hewlett-Packard till like 2016. And two, it uses the updated HP power cord, like the modern cord. I don't know why this thing doesn't want to stay together over here. It's like the clips for it are missing or something. Strange. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, and I love it. As soon as I put this hard drive in here, like these updates that have been stuck for I don't know how long for this guy, like just start going through like no problem. So good. Yeah, everything is just so much snappier. This is gonna be a quick boy now. Let's get power first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 seconds to desktop. That's pretty good. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Hey, thanks for watching that video. You can check out some of the other videos for more tech-related content. And if you want to catch me live, I am on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come hang out, chat, and maybe learn a thing or two. Thanks for watching.